Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lamb stock easy guide. Start by roasting lamb bones until well browned, then transfer to a large pot and cover with cold water. Add aromatics like onion, carrot, celery, bay leaves, and peppercorns, then bring to a gentle simmer. Maintain low heat, skim periodically, and cook for 4 to 6 hours to extract gelatin and flavor for a rich, silky stock. Gather bones, aromatics, and basic seasonings before you start so the process flows smoothly. Prefer a combination of marrow and joint bones to yield body and mouthfeel. Rough chop vegetables without peeling to boost natural color and sweetness. Use cold water to start extracting flavors slowly and maintain a low simmer to avoid cloudiness. Strain through a fine sieve and cool promptly to preserve clarity and taste. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which adds music, timers, and voice control that makes cooking hands-free and fun. It's compact and perfect near the stove for setting timers and asking quick questions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Roasting bones first creates caramelized notes that transform ordinary broth into lamb stock with character. Keep the simmer low and steady. Aggressive boiling breaks down fats and makes the liquid cloudy. Skim froth early, then let time extract gelatin for body. Strain, chill, and remove congealed fat for a cleaner finish. Freeze portions in labeled containers for easy use in stews, sauces, or braises whenever you need deep lamb flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.